Murimo wa COVID-19 ni utunyite kanitha wa PCEA na bururi wothe wa Kenya. Mutongoria urari na kiheo kia mwanya mutungatiri Peter Kania Kariuki. Mutungatiri Peter Kania Kariuki akuire muthenya wa kiumia thutha wa gutorio ni murimo wa COVID-19. Ndumiriri-ini ya ungano wa makanitha bururi-ini icakahite mutungatiri Peter Kania ta mutongoria urendaga mugambo wa kanitha kuiguo na gwathikirwo bururi-ini, makimutogeria ta mundu urateithiriirie na njira nene kuhanda kanitha uria aratungatagira.
As once he told me, Kariuki, even if I'm not there, you must continue the legacy. But you must be better than I was. Up to now, I do not know how to fit in his shoes because they were big. He has set the bar higher, but we'll work hard like he did to set it more higher.
Modarita wa kigomano gia kanitha wa PCEA Ndagitari Julius Mwamba akiuga makoretwo makiruta wira wa gutongoria kanitha uyu mari hamwe na wirutiri wake niguo utumite kwage ngarari utongoria-ini wa kanitha.
He came in as Secretary General. I came in as a moderator of the 21st and 22nd General Assembly. Today I have no wants. I have really lost a friend, a General Secretary and a Minister of the Presbyterian Church of East Africa.
Ndumiriri ya mutongoria wa bururi ithomirwo ni Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe, President akimutambura ni undu wa wira arakoretwo anjiriria wa kuria arumiriri a kanitha kunyitanira hari guteithia kuhunjia ndumiriri ya kwigita murimo wa COVID-19 na guteithia aria matehotete ihinda-ini ria guikara mucii kwigita gutamba kwa murimo wa COVID-19.
He is called to presbyteries to heed God's command to love one another in times of joy and struggle has certainly touched many lives. Reverend Peter Kania Kariuki has remained amiable and humble, and those who knew and interacted with him benefited immensely from his selfless leadership, wisdom, and generosity.
Nake munini wa President akimusakaya ta njorua ya kiugo gia gutungatira etekia na kunyita itemi hari kuhoera bururi hindi ciothe kwagia mathingithi guku agitongoria aria mauma mathiko na rwimbo.
Bwana sehemu ya rafiki yangu wewe. Let us not look for who to blame. Let us not point fingers. Let us take up our responsibility individually as citizens to ensure that we do not lose life and to ensure that we minimize infections by adhering to the protocols that have been issued by the government of Kenya through the Ministry of Health.
Mathiko maya matafanitio rungu rwa mawatho na mitaratara ya thirikari ya kuhurana na murimo wa COVID-19 kuma matonyo maria mekwihubitwo ni ahunjia aria meguteithagiriria gukua mwiri na muingi ukigirio kuingira kanitha-ini kuria igongona rigutafanagirio. Mutungatiri Peter Kania Kariuki niwe urari gacumbiri-ini ka utongoria wa kanitha wa PCEA agiikarira gituro kia mwandiki munene wa kanitha uyu bururi hando wa Roma kiria ki uge munene matu-ini ma bata ma kanitha na utongoria-ini wa parish 56 hando-ini ha Inoro TV kuma kanitha-ini wa Thogoto Kikuyu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Jetagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.
Eternal life